might be pregnant right now and not even realize it yet. In the very first month, a tiny miracle begins inside you. Your body releases an egg, and when it meets the sperm, a new life quietly starts to grow. That tiny cell travels to your uterus and finds a safe spot to attach. That's when your baby's journey truly begins. By week 3 or 4, your baby is smaller than a grain of rice, but the heart is already starting to form. You might feel more tired, moody, or notice your period doesn't come. Those are your body's gentle signs that something beautiful is happening inside. Even before you feel the baby, your body is already protecting and caring for it every second. If you're trying to conceive or just found out you're pregnant, take a deep breath. A new life is growing inside you. Like this video, share it with another mom-to-be, and follow for more gentle pregnancy tips.